AI tool that you need to know about, we're going to talk about Perplexity. I've been loving Perplexity. It is great for research and citations, learning something new without falling down a 2-hour Google rabbit hole. For me, it's faster answers with receipts, so it gives me sources. Personally, how I use it when I need to fact check or get the TLDR of something like what's going on with the TikTok ban or whatever's on the news. Perplexity gives me the scoop without me needing 17 million open tabs and a snack break. Make or Zapier, what it's great for is automating repetitive stuff. Like when this happens, do that. Connecting all of your favorite apps without needing to code. So this is going to save you hours on tiny tasks. How I use it, I have a Zapier setup where when someone fills out my client intake form, it automatically adds them to a spreadsheet and it sends me a Slack message and it emails them a calendar link to book an onboarding call. It is magic, like literal magic. Fathom and Otter AI. What they're great for, transcribing meetings and interviews, highlighting key takeaways. For me, it's like letting you listen instead of furiously typing notes on every single call that you're on. If I ever leave a Zoom call and forget what I said 5 minutes later, which is pretty frequently, these are apps that are kind of like your quiet note taker in the back who writes everything down. And then they timestamp even the juiciest little parts and give you everything that you need after to do great follow-up and not miss a single part of the conversation. Notion AI. It is great for organizing chaos, AKA my brain. I use it to summarize meeting notes. It's great at creating to-do lists that actually feel doable and turning mess into structured plans. Personally, how I use it, I can write one sentence like, I have a client meeting, make an agenda, and Notion AI will turn it into a full-blown timeline with an outcomes list and a project map. And sometimes I will even record the call directly on Notion, and it will give me a summary of what happened and any tasks that I need to do in terms of following up after the meeting. So basically, it is your productivity therapist in app form. Canva Magic Tools. It is great for pretty presentations, social media posts that have captions, logo design. My daughter designed a logo on there. Magic Grab, Magic Edit, which is basically sorcery for fixing that photo where your eye is like half closed. Personally, when I need a deck for a workshop, I will open up Canva and say, hey, make this pop, but not too corporate. And I let Magic Design do a lot of the heavy lifting. So it's kind of Pinterest meets PowerPoint with a splash of like, oh wow, I look like I have a team, but I'm really just one person. Claude, Anthropic's version of AI. What it's great for, long documents, thoughtful writing, brainstorming with a little bit more vibe check, summarizing PDFs. I think of Claude like your really thoughtful best friend who's super smart and will read the entire PDF that you've been avoiding and then give you a very friendly recap. It's less chaotic than ChatGPT and sometimes more chill. Gemini. It is great for googly things, obviously. So researching flights or restaurants or travel information, integrating with your Gmail especially, or your Google Calendar and any documents. Personally, I use it when I need to find that email, you know, the one from last week with the Zoom link. Gemini can scan my inbox like a trained hawk. It's also super helpful when I'm trying to do vacation planning or planning a trip without having 18 Chrome tabs and a whole bunch of notebooks open. Descript. What it's great for, editing video and audio, removing which is one little click, transcribing, subtitling, repurposing content. This one time I recorded a podcast where I said typically 47 times. Descript removed them in 2 seconds and made me sound like a TED speaker. I mean, yes, please. Murf or ElevenLabs. These are both great for voiceovers for videos. So they create realistic AI voices so they can make your slides, your YouTube tutorials sound like a pro without hiring a voice actor or being one yourself. If I'm making a video and I don't feel like doing the voiceover, maybe I'm on day 3 dry shampoo voice, you know the one. I type the script and I let one of these tools voice it for me. Done? I'm done. Tome, Gamma, or Beautiful AI, they are great for next-gen presentations. Pitch decks that look like you hired a designer, visual storytelling with way less work. Tome once made me a 10-slide deck based on a single sentence prompt. I added a few images and bam, it was like instant wow factor. I am still kind of blown away, and obviously you have to make some edits. For me, I have to make edits to content, but it is way easier for my ADHD brain than staring at a blank screen and building from scratch. It is offering up a really great, beautiful starting point. Rewind and Arc Search. They are great for tracking everything you do, read, click, say, searching your own past like a personal brain assistant. Imagine if you could say, what article was I reading last Thursday about dopamine? And your browser just knew. Yeah, it's that.